Cetus Pro Kit, aka the best mid-range budget drone available on the market in 2023. This is an FPV drone that can be controlled by beginners with the intuitive DJI motion controller, or experienced FPV pilots with the DJI FPV remote control. The batteries provide 4 to 5 minutes of flight time, so it's worth buying an extra full battery pack to extend the life. The small frame of the drone is made of PA-12 plastic with built-in propeller guards around and below the propeller to keep the drone safer around people and when flying indoors. The shock resistance is necessary because it'll crash a lot while learning. The device's onboard camera is strictly for FPV streaming with no video capability. The kit also includes the light radio and 2SC transmitter, which is a basic FPV controller perfect for the Cetus. FPV controllers are a little different than camera drone controllers, but the included instructions make it all clear. The FPV goggles are low-cost analog goggles that provide an FPV feed from a Cetus camera. The beauty of the Cetus Pro is that it offers 3 speed modes: slow, medium, and fast, and 3 flight modes so you can use more advanced modes as your flying skills improve. Another safety feature, which is available in all flight modes, is auto landing, where the drone will land when the battery reaches its minimum level instead of crashing. Thumbs up, that's for sure.